Hi guys, dress with me. Let's dress together, okay? With this beautiful top dress that I got right here. Okay, so let's dress together. Let us dress together. So continue. Let's get started. Okay. Hmm. So this is how the dress is. Okay. The back is actually open. So this is how the dress is. Also today I decided to try it on and it's nice. This is beautiful. Honestly, I'm going to be using it from now on. How do you see it? When I'm putting it on, I have to wear inner wear. I have to put on inner wear honestly because wow, this is nice. But sometimes you just buy clothes and you are like, oh, I don't think it will look nice on me and all that. And you just keep the clothes aside. Today I just, for like 2 months now, I was like, when I looked at it, I was like, oh, it's a bit tight and all that. I actually wanted to give it to my daughter, but when she put it on, it was a bit bigger than her size, and I wanted to give it out. Honestly, I don't just know the reason why I didn't try this on, so I decided to try it, and it's nice. I hope this is nice. Hi dear. So looking good is not all about spending a whole lot of money. It's all about you knowing what is good for you and you go for it, okay? Like for some of us who actually have a fat tummy, you can actually lose your tummy fat, okay? And get a flatter tummy or reduce your tummy fat. Some of us who actually want to brighten our complexion a bit to look good, clear your dark spot, just look good, okay? That's what matters. It's not all about spending the whole money in the whole world.